Hey there everyone, we're doing some more Pokemon Unite, playing some Greedent this time. I really wasn't sure who to pick this game. I saw we needed a defender, so I'm like, I'll pick Greedent, why not? Like I said, I really didn't have any preference too much in this match, so, Greedent should work pretty fine here. Has a decently tanky front line, and can eat hits hopefully well enough. Oh, no, I can't get scared. I was hoping you would use his move before. Oh well. I don't use too much Greedent, but I am open to always using it, so, See how well I can play with it here, though. I am also going Covet and Belch this game, so, Like I said, we'll see how well we can do. Okay, the reboot is here. Go eat the hits for my guy. Go potion up. Okay, yes, some anti-heal. I think that's Cinderace anti-heal. Interesting. I mean, he does have a lot of basics and boosteds, but still. Not exactly a character I would think would be using anti-heal. Nice, got secure. I can dash my way out. We do get our Surfetched also. Okay. Got the defeat. I might go down here. I do. Defense Curl came up a little too late. I didn't get enough berries, and also Potion was a little too far out too. So yeah, could have lived that maybe if I get those up, or at least one of them, but I mean, the anti-heal is definitely not helping too much in this early game particularly, but even throughout the game. But luckily this build, I'm not going to be healing too much. It's not really a big heal build. To get some health, obviously, from my berries, but I would say Cheek Pouch is a bit more healing focused. Don't get anything there, unfortunately. I do have Latias to stack up too. Okay, going in. Actually, I didn't expect it in there. Nice. Gets his score off at least. I'll go for my score, because why not? There we go. You go pick mine up. Oh man, he's able to hit me. They got the Surfetch too, actually. I'm surprised at that. Thought he would have been fine. Because is this Sentry here actually? I don't see him. So I don't think he was here at all. Okay, I got one at least. He hit slightly. Like I said, I can heal up. Not that it'll be a ton of healing, but, it will be some. I do have Potion. I can actually walk back in here. Okay. I don't mind going for this guy. Some speed boost. Go steal some berries here. Thank you. Ooh, they actually have a second anti-heal, too. I only got 1,050 from that. I don't know who else is an anti-heal. Is it... Okay, it is the Latias, too. Annoying double anti-heal, definitely. Luckily, anti-heal I think only applies once though, so I can only be anti-heal by once total, so I think that's a 30% reduction at the highest strength there. Okay. Getting some damage, but not really too much. I don't have Belch up, so... And then I missed Belch. That's sad. Wow, they get the break too. Unfortunately I missed my Belch there. Could have caught him. Wow, and I don't get that too. I am not playing that well. Okay. Good for these guys. Try and get something. Nice, get one defeat. Latios is here also. We have Moonlight the Fable, which is a big source of healing, which will be nice. Let's see, I almost have Special up. Level 9 that comes up. This is already taken. I'll go for score, because why not? It's open. We have Surfetched also here joining us. Cinderace will go cut him off, actually. There you go. That's Cinderace. Pete. There you go. Okay. I think Surfetched might be going in a little too far. Get passive off of that guy at least. The anti-heals are annoying. Go, nice. Like the special combo. Good job, guys. This is a good play. We get a quick score off. Okay, not an optimal score, actually, in the end. I mean, Cinderace has jumped in. Let's go get him. Stun these guys up. Heal myself back. Go special here. Nice. Tons and tons of damage and defeats. Slow him down. Might go down here. Yeah, I probably will. Hopefully Latios gets out safely. Okay, get one more hit. And he's doing some good damage back, but I think Meowth catches him. No, actually. Might be good. Ooh. Okay, gets one big hit. Special trade by the two of them. Oh, no, he doesn't get that one. Latias gets to live. We'll go jump. Let's go get passives here. Go ignore the Meowth stun a little bit. There you go. Some damage. Potion up. The anti-heal will reduce that slightly. Double anti-heal is definitely a little annoying though. Like I said, I'm not the biggest healing character. It's probably intended a little more for the Moonlight Clefable there, the anti-heal, but I do still get impacted a bit by it. And it is pretty annoying too. But we can go for the Regidrag. I don't mind instantly doing this. Should be able to do it pretty fast. Hopefully no Cinderace steal. Looks like our guys are fighting up top. Okay, nice. We get objective for objectives. Okay. Let's go for the free pick on him. There we go. Being special here. Hop in. Thank you for the health. Clefable. They're using a lot of specials. And they're still alive, actually. They're holding out pretty well. Decent trade. I did use a lot of my tools for that. I used specials, so... Ideally, we would have wanted a little better, but I should be able to farm special up at least close to it needing to be done, but we also use, like, Machamp special, too, which is big. I'll actually let Machamp get that. Just because he does need a special a lot. Machamp special is pretty good if you could get a good angle, and this Machamp's had some pretty good specials, I'd say, or at least pretty decent. So. Nice, we got 1 feet on him. Okay, I'm going to be anti-heal. Very annoying, very annoying. I'm able to walk it off a bit. Ooh, we do lose 3, but we at least have the Meowth gone. Okay, we get a little damage on this guy. I don't mind fighting him. Just need to make sure they don't get the objective here. Go immune the sun. Okay. Potion up. Special. Decent special, actually. Ooh, I canceled my Covet. That was bad. That was really bad. I have a lot of healing, though. Thank you, Clefable. My Covet back up. Feet, nice. Yeah, I accidentally I don't know what I was going to say there. I accidentally canceled my Covet, though. Which is why I stopped right after using it. So that was a mistake by me here. Latias is up here. Get the slow. We have Machamp doing the objective. I mean, really can't do it too fast, just Machamp. Fable me. And our Latios goes down. I think he was trying to score, actually. I don't know why. I feel like playing for fight was better. We do need some points, though, on the board. Okay, nice. Fable gets it. And we actually take the objective. I didn't even think we were doing it there. Good job, Surfetch, for taking it. I didn't notice, like I said, he was on it. So, that was nicely done there. Go look for score now. We should be able to win the game. It wasn't a clean game. Definitely not. Could have played better overall. I do think I got value as Greedent, though. You know, Greedent did do quite a bit in those fights. I was able to live also. I don't think they beat me at all during that whole Groudon section, you know, so that's pretty nice. It was alive for a good while. I think I took a lot of hits. Thank you, Fable, also for that extra healing. And even though they have double anti-heal, I was able to hold out MVP, actually, but I think that's mainly because of the score. Actually, no. I had most participation overall. 7 and 7 is not bad. More damage than actually everything but the Surfetched here. More damage. Wow, I took a lot of damage. I took so much damage. Wow, 120,000 damage about taken there. That is quite good. I definitely did take more hits than I thought. I didn't think the stats would be that high, but no, I definitely think I got good value as Greedent there. Yeah, good job everyone though. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you, and goodbye.